Good morning, Alice is for me and welcome to MLphile. My name is Mr. CJ. Welcome. If you're new to my channel or you have been here before, welcome back. This is an introductory video about the channel and what MLphile is all about. I'm going to start by the focus of the channel and the vision where the channel is heading to. In this channel, we will mostly be talking about machine learning algorithms, paper review, the maths and some implementation of the algorithms on real-world problems. So most of the explanation will be done by me writing on the screen. Hopefully, I will be uploading videos weekly depending on my schedule, and we also have a session where we are going to interview some of the professionals or the experts in the field of machine learning algorithms, where they are going to give us more explanation about this algorithm and how they work. We are going to start with the basics and move to advanced algorithm, and since we can't cover all the algorithms because like every 3 days a paper is being released, so we will pick at random and we are going to review any algorithm which is being commented or is being highly voted. This channel, we are also going to build a machine learning library where we will use it to implement some of the algorithms on real-world program. If you're excited and you find the above description best suits your needs, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for upcoming videos. Thanks for viewing and I'll see you next time.